If you spend enough time going through design magazines and so forth, going to showrooms, following HGTV and all that these days, you'll notice a prevalence of people trying to go for reclaimed woods, woods that look like they came out of barns or were taken down off of barns. It's very popular, and Conestoga is no different. They're being driven that direction and wanted to come up with an option for their customer base, and that's what I'm holding here. This is what they call their weathered grain option. It's very difficult to pick up on the camera, but you probably can hear it. If I run my finger over the finish, what they've done is they take certain species, they're not doing it in every species, but you can do it with quarter-sawn oaks, regular oaks, rustic knotty hickory, rustic knotty cherry. The list is in section 7 of the catalog, but it's 6 or 8 species. It's not all species, and it's not all door designs. It's maybe 15 door designs. And what they're doing is they're running the material before they assemble the door. They're running the material through a wire wheel, basically a big stiff wire brush. And the wire brush, as it goes through, it's hogging out the softer material and it's leaving the denser material, or more of the denser material. So it creates this very aged, rough to the texture look. It looks just like barnwood. It's really amazing the look that they get. It's fairly expensive. Forget the exact price. I want to say it adds $12.50 or $15 a door panel. Comes with a 5% sheen top coat only. You can option up to 15 sheen, but if you don't specify otherwise, you're going to get the 5% sheen. Some customers have asked us, can I get that 5% sheen on any other product they offer? The answer is no. The only place they use 5% sheen is on this to give it a very dull, almost an unfinished look. And also be aware that any panel raises, this door does not have one, but any panel raises, edge profiles, profiled areas, don't get the wire brush. It's just on the flat areas of the door. So if you had a center panel on this, the center raised portion that's level with the face of the door is going to get it, but the profile portion going down is going to be smooth, in this case quarter-sawn oak, like a normal door would be. So it's a neat option. If you have an interest in it, feel free to ask your sales rep to give you a quote. It does create a pretty neat look. It's fairly limited in terms of the products it's offered on, so if you wanted posts on the island and you ordered red oak posts, they're not going to wire brush the red oak posts because they have contour to them, they're not flat. So you're going to get stuck with situations where some of the kitchen is weathered and other things are not. So be mindful, your sales rep can walk you through that, but if you really are desperate for this kind of a look, there is an option. It's called weathered grain, and we're happy to talk it through with you. Give us a call at 888-211-6482 if you have any more interest in this product. Thanks for watching.